Dear students, welcome. We are about to begin the new term. I am your instructor for this term. My name is Maria Broughton. You can address me as Professor or Professor Broughton. Please log on to Blackboard, click on the course link and read all the announcements. Read the materials posted in the folders and order the required textbook. In addition, please check the website on a daily basis through the length of the term, even when you think that you have posted all the coursework. You should still check the announcements and the course emails till the last day of the term. Since this is an online course, I communicate with you via emails and by posting announcements. You can find all the necessary information on Blackboard. I hope this will be an exciting experience. I am looking forward to meeting all of you online.